What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed. Go ahead and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed to the channel. What we gonna be doing today? Well, this is kind of like part 2 of today. I've already kind of been doing a little bit of work. I had to fix a flat, and as you can see, my shit is still junky, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. But right now, what we are going to be doing is installing some hood pins on the Honda. I got the hood pins already. I already got a place to put them. I hope I have the right drill bits that it's gonna need to actually mount them. So here's where we are going to actually be mounting these hood pins. We got a hole right there, and we got a hole right there. That's where we're gonna mount them. And I'm gonna put some toothpaste probably on the top of the post to mark it up here in the roof. You get a drill that hole, and it should be easy peasy. You know, this is one of the things where if you get it wrong, you're gonna get it wrong big. You're gonna have two holes. You're gonna have 2 holes in your hood, but that's neither here nor there. Let me see if I got the right drill bit, and let's get these hood pins on. So this right here are the actual pins that I am going to be installing. Got these at O'Reilly's, very cheap, about 13 bucks, but it's perfect for what I need. Drill that hole, mount it, bada bing, bada boom, and I should be good to go. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to use some of this gasket sealer. I'll put it on the top of that to try to leave a mark up there, and then I'm going to drill the hole in it to and hopefully that works. I don't know what I'm doing, but I hope it works. Otherwise I'm gonna have 2 holes in I'm gonna have another hole in the hood. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna use some toothpaste. Boom. So we're gonna use some Crest. Okay, where's the mark? So we got the mark right there, and we got the other one right there. They almost in the same place. It's close enough. Now let's get to drilling, and hopefully it works. Okay, so we got 1 hole drill. That didn't take too long. I was gonna test it out, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and finish it and stop playing around. So here goes the moment of truth. I think it's gonna work. I just need to tighten them up, but it is off as fuck. So we got the holes in the hood. I had to make them oblong. That looks like shit. It's always best to take the hood off. That way you can make a straight cut down like it's supposed to be. But anyway, I got it in there. I got it adjusted to the right height. Now I'm fixing to tighten down these, put the little plates on there that's gonna cover up that ugliness, and we're gonna be done. One thing to note, that original bit that I used, it wasn't gonna work. You need one of these bits right there if you're gonna do this. It makes the job a whole lot easier. Got the bolts tightened down, got my holes like I want them. Now we need to remove the hood latch because I won't be needing that anymore. So that's the next step. I need to repair this too. This is starting to get on my nerves. Here goes the grand reveal. We got the hood pins in. Look all nice and neat. These are screws, not rivets. So that'll make your life a whole lot easier because you can manage to do it with the basic house tools in your house. That one's a little too high. I need to bring that down a little bit. That's no problem. Just a little bit of adjusting. This one probably could come up a little bit, but it's nice and snug like it is. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The Civic got hood pins. I think I'm gonna leave it like it is. You notice I still got a little gap right here. That's because of that radiator. But the hood is on secure a lot better than what it was, and it looks a lot better what it was. When I put the turbo in and relocate that radiator, that'll be fixed. But for right now, boom, bada bing, bada boom. This needs to come way down, but we're gonna do it. I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'm losing daylight. I got the hood pins on though. I think they look good. I'm glad I went ahead and done it. The hood is more secure, which is always good. And that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and keep them notifications. Liddy, this your boy Jay Reed. Peace.